Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to put some LED lights in the Bug. Buddy of mine hooked me up with the, what are these? DDM Tuning at ddmttuning.com. Buddy of mine's been running these on his Cadillac CTS-V for a while, and he likes them, so he got me a set. He had a set fog lamps, didn't secure the whatchamacallit, the ballast properly, and it broke the cover off. It's supposed to look like that, and I hot glued it, and it actually works. So for shits and giggles, they're actually pretty bright. I made a kooky flashlight out of it. They do have little electric fans on them. They're pretty damn bright. So I hooked it up to a little 12-volt battery. And they're stupid bright. You actually hear the little fans whirling in the background. Jesus Christ, that's fucking bright. It's high noon over here today. You actually hear the little fans spinning. And yeah, that's what they look like when they're on. Can't look at this shit directly. It's fucking blinding. Pretty cool. Let's unbox this thing. Come with the instructions. Nice little cover what they look like. Keep them dry. I have H4 light bulbs. So here's the light. Even got the little shade caps on them for the high beams. Very simple weather tight connector. These ballasts are even, I think, smaller than the other ones. So plug and play. They should be pretty good. I believe these are the 55 watts. The other ones I just showed you are the 35 watt. So yeah, I gave them an excuse to upgrade to the brighter ones when they came out. So let's see what they're going to look like. If you don't have aftermarket headlamps, this won't work for you. So if you get some H4 housings like I got, mine were the kooky ones with the purple halo lights, but those things burned out years ago, so they're pointless. Get some with orange halo lights, you can hook them into your blinkers, and that'd be cool too. So let's get to the install. Okay, so these headlights are pretty easy. Undo the screw, and the whole bucket comes out. So since I got H4s, looks like that. Simple clipping. Pinch down, down, up. The light bulb comes out. Easy peasy. Here's the new light bulb. Should clear. Ballast. In. This one goes up here. just like that, done. Let's see how they look. So, LED and normal incandescent. Pretty yellow, pretty white. Thing looks pretty good. Let's get the other one in. Not easy. Ballast. Oh, shifted. Pinching. Okay, one side went way too easy. Now the other side's being a pain. some strange reason, this bucket doesn't fit. I guess this thing's been off this whole time. That's why I've never noticed. Still off a little bit. And this side's been an accident. This is going to be a short video. Let's see how it looks. Oh. Definitely interesting. I have to adjust the height on one, but I think they look good. Take for a drive later. So they go in pretty easy. They went in very easy. You got the H4 housings already. You saw how fast the one light went. The other light, I guess, was crooked this whole time. I just didn't know. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, share. Peace out.